Somebody say my riba to share. My run on beba.
Do you say it's on the track?
Ilekun ashika run on beba. Rawa lawa kashegun otawa. Tawa lohun kakere adura. Everybody say Amio. Ilekun ashika run on beba. Rawa lawa kashegun otawa. Tawa lohun kakere adura. Everybody say Amio. Lọ́dún tí mo wà yìí o. Ara ń bẹ tí mo fẹ́ dá. Jẹ́ kọ́nà mi já síre. Bàbá gbọ́ àdúrà mi. Àníṣe lọ́dún yìí máa lówó.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? My name is Okpe. If you're joining us for the first time, Kilo Happen. So today, my model for today is actually a makeup artist. I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen now. She's based in Ondo State. So if you guys need a makeup artist in Ondo State, Nigeria, holla at my girl Tiwa. So this look is actually an avant-garde bride. Like, I just felt like every time it's just always cute and reserved. It's not every time cute and reserved. Sometimes edgy and bold. Give them a dark, vampy look on your wedding day and an unconventional gilly. So that's what I decided to do. I'm doing her skin first because she has a very beautiful skin. Her brows are full, so I knew I wasn't going to do a lot. I just really wanted her face to look very chiseled and her skin look healthy, basically very glowy and nice. So yeah, I'm going a bit darker with her contour because, you know, she has chubby face like mine and I wanted her to look really snatched. So yeah, that's what is happening.
The heavens, the creations of your hands, Take a look at the earth, they are your divine perfect plan, they are your plan. Take a look at the waters, the creatures that dwelling in it. Look at the sky, they speak of your wonders, declaring you are amazing, God. Mole fuwa, mojuba baba.
For her brows, I'm using my Browlution pencil. She has really curvy brows, or let me say, like, it's really arched. So I didn't really do much. I just filled in these sparse areas, and that was it. Like, she had hair, and I didn't really want to make it dark. Moving on to eyeshadow, I know you guys know I don't really prep with white, but then I really wanted the color to pop, so I prepped. And I'm using the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette. The list of all the products will be in the description box. I zoomed in a little bit so you guys can see. I applied this color with my hand because it's like a duochrome color, and I wanted the color to really pop. At first, when I was doing this eyeshadow, I actually really wanted to clean it, wipe it off, because it wasn't looking like what I wanted. But then I'm glad I didn't, because it really tied up together at the end. I went back to actually darken it a bit more. After spraying her face, I went in with the highlighter. I did spray her face before the highlighter because I really wanted it to sink into her skin and remove all the powdery effect and everything. The highlighter is also from Nuban Beauty. The list of everything is in the description box, guys. Please check it. Okay. So I don't know, I don't feel like I need everything I'm doing is actually self-explanatory. I'm smudging the lower lash with the same color I used for our transition, because I really wanted her to have this grungy look. And I maintained the wine and cranberry color for the blush and the lips too. So yeah, for all of you that are always wondering how to get this really dark ombre lip, yes, I used my eyeliner pencil, normal black pencil you use for your waterline. I used it for the lip to really like darken it, and then I used a vampy color, like a purple color, a wine color actually. I smudged out the black a bit more into the corners of her mouth to give her that really cute pout, and then I applied the lip color to the center. That way you get this really dark vampy ombre. If you try this technique, actually tag me so I can see.
All of creations declare that you are beautiful, you're beautiful. Say you are amazing, girl. You're so amazing. You are amazing, girl. You are amazing, girl.
At this point, Tiwa and I were asking ourselves, is it fine? Is it fine? Because I was really unsure about it. I'm glad I stuck to it. It really looks beautiful. So guys, this is the end of this look. If you guys love it, please don't forget to comment, share, love, like, subscribe, everything you have to do. You guys know the drill. Drop your comments and let me know your favorite part of this Avant-Garde Bride. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for hanging with me again. I love you. Peace out. Kisses. See you and catch you later. Bye.